kids! Feel fluffus! Welcome to another day of learning opportunity. I am your teacher, Mildred Omega, and I will be discussing percentage, base, and rate. Before we will start our lesson, here are some reminders to keep in mind. First, stay alert and focus to the video lesson. Second, prepare your pen and paper. Third is sit back and relax as you enjoy our lesson for today. Before we will start our lesson for today, let's have a quick mental computation. Are you ready, class?
Change the following fractions to decimals. Number 1, 3/4. What is the equivalent of 3/4 in decimal? So what's your answer? Very good. The answer is 0.75. 3/4 in decimal form is 0.75. You just divide 3 to 4 to get the answer. Number 2, 3/12. What is the equivalent of 3/12 in decimal? Correct. The answer is 0.25. To get the answer, you just divide 3 to 12. Number 3, 5/8. What is the equivalent of 5/8 in decimal? Very good. The answer is 0.625. You just divide 5 to 8 to get the correct answer. Number 4, 6/10. What is the equivalent of 6/10 in decimal form? Very good. The answer is 0.6. You just divide 6 to 10 to get 0.6. Number 5, 6/30. What is the equivalent of 6/30 in decimal? Very good. The answer is 0.2. You just divide 6 to 30.
You are excellent, class. Thank you for your active participation. Your mind is very quick in conversion. This means that you really understood our lesson. So today we have our new lesson. These are our objectives. First, give the meaning of the elements, rate, base, and percentage. Second, determine the percentage, rate, or base in a given problem or equation.
Class, I want you to look at this picture. What did you see in this picture? Very good. This is a bank.
In bank, we see a lot of people fall in line to deposit and withdraw money. Bank allows people and businesses to store this money in and then withdraw as needed through the use of a direct withdrawal, writing a check, or using a debit card.
Now I am going to show you a problem. Mrs. Reyes opened an account in BDO Bank. She puts a principal amount of 15,000 that will earn an interest of 150 pesos after a month at the rate of 1% monthly. These are the questions. Number 1. Where does Mrs. Reyes open her account? What's your answer? Very good. Mrs. Reyes opened her account at BDO Bank. Number 2. How much is the principal amount? What's your answer? Correct. The principal amount is 15,000. Number 3. How much is the rate monthly? Correct. 1% is the rate monthly. Number 4. How much interest she will earn after a month? Correct. Mrs. Reyes earned 150 pesos income monthly. So what are the given? The given are 15,000 total amount, 150 pesos income monthly, and 1% interest rate monthly. Today, we are going to know the meaning of base, percentage, and rate. When you say percentage, it is the number or the amount that represent a part of the whole. Always remember that the percentage is always smaller than the base. Example, you have 10 pesos and you give 2 pesos. The 2 pesos is the percentage, while rate is the number compared to 100. This is usually has the percent sign. Remember always that the rate is in percent form. And base represent the number of the whole or the entire amount. The base has a greater amount or number. For example, I have 10 pesos. What is the value of my money? The value of my money is 100 pesos. That is the base.
Do you understand? Very good. To deepen and enrich your understanding, let's proceed to our another activity.
Identify the rate, base, and percentage. Write on the blank the percentage, base, and rate. What is the meaning of percentage, rate, and base? How do you determine the base in a given problem, the rate, and the percentage? Percentage is the number or the amount that represent a part of the whole. Rate is the number compared to 100. This is usually has the percent sign. Base is the number, the whole, or the entire amount.
To test the extent of your understanding in our lesson, I will give you another activity. Now prepare your paper and pencil. Are you ready? Let's start! To learn more, try this at home. Identify the rate, base, and percentage of the following statements. That's the end of my discussion. I hope that you have learned something today. Thank you for listening. Have a good and blessed day. Goodbye, kids!